welcome. This is John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. How you doing? I'm gonna walk you around 88 Silverado, 1988 Suburban Silverado. We just finished up, and you're gonna see if on the bottom of this video you'll see a link, and you can go to the website and you'll see the complete build and a couple other videos as well. All right, thank you. So what we have here is this truck started out as, I've got all the doors opened up and I'm going to shut them and walk around too, but it started out as an original truck, same colors as we painted it now, dark brown metallic and a gold, really sharp. And I'm going to walk around and show you the interior and everything first, and then there's going to be a video outside. But when we did the stripes, I always hated how they put the plastic stripes on. So I taped that off and we did it in the base coat, and then we cleared right over it. And it had the chrome Silverado moldings. I just don't like all that chrome, so I went with the custom deluxe emblems and the molding that would have come factory on that. And we went with all brand new door lock gaskets, door handle gaskets, all new body seals, all 6 doors, the 4 front and the 2 in the back, all brand new body seals. We went with all new outer belt moldings, I call them. Some people call them door edge moldings, but we call them belt moldings. And the inside channel runs and weather strips for inside the whole door. They run all the way down to the bottom. Those have been replaced. So we basically took the glass out, cleaned everything up, greased everything, and put all new weather strips in. Also, 4 new wheel well moldings. The whole underneath the truck was steam clean, chassis black, and we undercoated the wheel wells. It has full stainless steel exhaust on it, with the Bora stainless steel. No, actually, excuse me, MagnaFlow mufflers, stainless. So it's a lifetime. Right from the stock exhaust manifolds. Here's inside the interior. Original seats. The truck only had 144 thou on it, and the seats were just about perfect. I mean, I'm gonna say 9.7 out of 10. Here's the back seat. All right. Here is the brand new carpet that we put in. It has the factory floor mat in the back here, but we put brand new carpet. The backs of the seats are gorgeous. The door panels are definitely acceptable. They're nice, got electric windows. I'm gonna shut this door. All the doors shut like factory OEM. The seats are all original. I put a new cover on the driver's side seat, but the front seats are all original. They did a pretty good match. New carpets throughout the truck. We did a OEM factory style headliner, and the console's got the center console. That's nice. Full AC, all electric works. And I'm going to bring you outside. And I'm going to show you one other thing that most people wouldn't notice. I actually went a little bit lower with the gold. They originally came up to about here. And you can see right here, I left a little bit of tape there just to show you how they use that plastic tape. I'm going to pull that off. But I went a little bit lower with the line on the gold. I think it looks really good just like that. I didn't want it to go so high up into the door handle area. truck has brand new general 33-inch 12.5 15 by 50s on it. Some pretty good fat tires, really good tread. You know, beefy all-terrain tread, and just, you know, nice fat tires. The front and rear bumpers are nice. All the drip edge moldings are stainless on this. We took them off when we painted. We de-chromed the whole truck, painted the roof, pulled the windshield wiper balance tray off, painted that separate. It has a brand new hood. We put a brand new hood on it, painted the underside, clear coated it, and radiator supports clean. I put a new front grille in it, and it's got a new battery. We got a brand new V8. You can see it, you can hear it running now, and I'll rev it up for you in a minute. But it's got a brand new 5.7 V8, 30 over, brand new pistons, line board, crank turns, 1010 on the crank, brand new set of heads, all freshened up, Magnaflux, all you know, new valves, new cam and lifters, timing chain, oil pump, done right. Factory fuel injection with the factory intake, new water pump, thermostat, and alternator. Brand new starter, all under warranty. You get all the paperwork with it. Here's the other side of the truck. I'm going to shut the doors in a minute so you can get a visual. Like I say, I'm going to do another video outside, but I wanted to do one inside too, because I thought the interior pictures would show up better without the heavy sunlight. There you go. There's a good shot of the interior with the door panels. The jams are all clean, and I went easy on the jams and just sprayed in where I needed to. Down low, underneath the doors, had no rust. The seams are all perfect. This was a rust-free truck. From Washington, I steam cleaned the underneath. You could eat off the underneath. And what I'll do is I'm going to shut these two doors, and I'll step back. You can see we have a 428R code Mustang that we're doing over there. Here's a better picture of the truck. And I'm going to come around the back now. This thing has 4-inch lift with the dual front shocks and singles in the rear. So dual front, single in the rear. Rugged Ridge kit, nice kit. This truck rides tight. I mean, it's tight. I put 4 new hubcaps. We painted the original rims again, and the trim rings are really nice, stainless. It's got the worn hubs in the front. Everything works. It's a really clean piece. Inside the fuel door, you know, everything's copacetic, clean, nice. And what I'll do is I'm going to walk around the back here, and in the back there's comes with some extra carpet for any touch-up, or yeah, actually, you know, it's just good to have an extra piece for the back. Here's a package tray. There's a set of 3 original hubcaps too. I just didn't want to throw them away, give them to the new buyer. And I'll put that carpet in there. The spare goes right there. I have a spare for it. I didn't put it in. It's the same size, so if you have a flat, the truck will be level. It's a chrome rim. And I did all new gaskets too on the rear doors, you know, body. So this thing's tight. There's no air leaks. It shuts tight. You know, she's a nice truck. And I'm going to walk around now, and there's a good shot down the side. like I say, I'm going to do another video. This one's already at 10 minutes, so I'm going to end it pretty soon. I'm going to rev the engine up so you can hear it. It sounds really nice. We broke the engine in. The engine has 20 minutes break-in time, so the cam's set. And I'll rev it up for you. Sounds real nice. And she's pushing